Welcome guys. In this video I will show you how you can create a basic calculator that will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using Python programming. So first of all, create a variable num1 and set this equal float input. Enter the first number and create another variable op for operator and set this equal input. Enter the operator. After this, create another variable num2 and prompt the user to enter the second number. Float input. Enter the second number. Now create an if statement. If op is equal to plus, so rewrite the plus in quotation marks as it is string. If op is equal to plus, print answer is num1 plus num2. Elif op is equal to minus, print answer is num1 minus num2. Num2. After this, elif op is equal to static, print answer is num1 multiplied by num2. Elif op is equal to division, print answer is num1 divided by num2. At last, else, print invalid operator. Let's run the program. Enter the first number. Let it be 10. Enter the operator. Enter plus. Enter the second number 50. Answer is 60. 10 plus 50 is equal to 60. Run again. Enter the first number 8. Enter the operator multiplication. Enter the second number 5. Answer is 40. And you can see it is working properly. Run again and enter an invalid operator. Enter the first number. Enter 56. Enter the operator and let enter dollar sign. Enter the second number 50, and here you can see it is displaying invalid operator. So our calculator is working properly.